So with everything going on, everything being said, I did my research, and the best thing I could come up with is an accumulator tank, because it says right on the tank, maximizes cycling pulsation and pressure spikes while increasing the life of your pump and saving battery power. Okay, so what I ended up doing is I went and got an accumulator tank. And I saw them online, but the max pressure rating was only 100 psi. This one happens to be 125 psi. Of course, I found it at everybody's favorite store, Camping World. And so basically, this is what it looks like. And what you got to do is right here, you get yourself an air pump, hand pump, because you can't use a electric air pump because you'll blow the diaphragm up inside real easily. So you use a hand air pump, and you fill it up to the rated pressure that you have everything set at inside. So I'm going to hand pump this up to 55 psi because that's what I want the pressure to be, and that's what I'm going to have to make the other adjustments to keep it that way. And so here's what I got to make this happen is I had to get an end. I'm reusing an old end I had off the water system. And then I had to get a plug because I don't have enough room to put it in line, so I'm just going to hook up a single line that goes to it, which I've created here already, and I'll just tee it into the existing line. And then I also had to get the hex grip. These are the clamps. These clamps right here, which I just finished up that pack on this project. And then this is the elbow, swivel elbow. That's this piece here. And so this is the plug pipe, which I already had to get the elbow. These two caps, they come on it for these two places right there. And this is basically all you need. And these are the tools: a screwdriver, wire cutters, my crimper, and a PEX cutter. That's pretty much all you need here. Okay, to save time on the filming, I'm not going to go through every step of the installation, but what I am going to do is I'm going to splice it in right here. I'm going to mount it over here, right in this area, with the air nozzle facing down, because from what I understand, it doesn't specify which is best too clearly. And so I'm going to do it with the air nozzle facing down because I think that's better than going sideways. And so that's where I'm going to mount it. That's how I'm going to mount it. And I'll show you when I get it done. This, my friend, was totally amazing. The whole thing was blocked up. And what had happened when they assembled it, see this piece right here? See how it has glue down here? That glue got all up in the threads, or in the passageway, and totally blocked up the entire passageway. I was about to bring it back to Walmart. Then I said, you know what, let me take this apart and see what's going on. So that's what I did, and I ended up using my drill. As you can see, the shavings, I had to drill that baby out to make it work. So I had to fix the tool that I needed to use to fix my water problem before I could do anything. So it ran into a little bit of overtime. Okay, there's no turning back after this cut. Right in the middle. There it is. Okay, that's where that's going to splice in. Okay, time to put things back together. And let's see how I can do this. Heck, that's where it is outside, same place. Any leaks? Not seeing any leaks. Nowhere. Okay, good. Good. Okay, she's installed. And actually, with the water off and the pressure is at 59.1, let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm not seeing any leaks. Over here at the water softener, that's the same pressure I have outside, so that's totally awesome. And Flo is saying 59.3, so that's pretty on point because that's more precise than the gauge. And the accumulator is not leaking. And I don't know, maybe doing its job. We'll find out come tomorrow morning. But that's all I got for now. And I'll post an update tomorrow, see if I got rid of the spikes. Okay, so yeah, I got the water softener. And I got all the water coming in right there off of the full hookup bay on the outside. This is the back side of it where all the water comes in. So this is all I got. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.